So one of the most asked interview question in React, like how can you fetch the data from an API? So this is a very simple React function component named app, okay, and that fetches the user data from an external API. Here I'm using the useState hook to manage two pieces of state. First one is a user, second one is a loading. So user to store the fetched user data and loading to track whether the data is still being fetched. So here as you can see, we are using this use effect for the API calling. This use effect hook is used to perform the API call when the component mounts. So I use the fetch method over here, okay, to call the JSON placeholder API. On success, we are setting, or I update the user state and set the loading to false. On failure, I log the error and still set the loading to false to stop the spinner. As you can see in the return statement, we are checking if the loading is true. Here, if the loading is true, we are showing a loading message over here, and otherwise it map over the user array and display each data username. As you can see, this is the output we are getting.